In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to easily configure link options in Elementor. For this functionality, simply edit the page on which you want to configure link options. I'm already here, but if you need help editing the page with Elementor, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, as you can see this page here with these buttons, clicking on this button simply redirects us to this page in the same window. But what if I want this link to open up in a new window? So to do that, we need to configure the link options. So let's move back and edit this page with Elementor. I'm here in the editor window. Moving to the button settings by clicking on it, you can see the link settings here. Simply click on the settings icon here to configure link options. Here you can check the box beside open in a new window so that the URL in the link opens up in a new window. You can also select the box beside no follow if required. Custom attributes can be added for the link element. Once everything is in place, simply click on the Update button. Now let's view the page and check the changes. Let's refresh the page. Once done, click on this button and you can see a new window opens up and we get redirected to this URL. So, this is how easy it is to easily configure link options in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.